Hey everyone, welcome to TechWired. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 142, linked list cycle 2. First, we will see the explanation of the problem statement, then the logic and the code. Now let's dive into the solution. So here I've taken the first example from the Leetcode website. So we need to find the node that is connected to the tail of the linked list. Right? Here -4 is the tail node of the linked list and it is connected to the node 2. So we need to return node 2 as the answer. If there is no cycle, we need to return none. That's all the problem is. Now we will see the logic. Initially, I'm going to have two pointers. One is slow and fast. Both will be pointing to the head node, right? Then I will move my fast pointer one step ahead. Then I will move my slow pointer one by one, right? So when I do like that, the slow pointer and fast pointer will meet each other if there is a cycle exist. Else there will be none, right? So now we will start. So I will move my fast pointer one step ahead. So my fast pointer will be here and I will move my slow pointer to the next node. Then I will move my fast pointer one step ahead. So my fast pointer will be here, right? Then I will move my slow pointer. My slow pointer will be here. And now if I move my fast pointer will be here at the node -4. And if I move my slow pointer to the next node, it is going to meet with the fast pointer. So which means there is a cycle. Then I will make my slow pointer as pointer 2 and I will start again from the head node with pointer 1. This is a new pointer, right? Now I will move my pointer 1 and pointer 2 to the next node. If I do like that, my pointer 1 will be on node 2 and pointer 2 will also be on point 2. So when both pointer 1 and pointer 2 meets together in a particular node, then that node is the node connected to my tail of the linked list, right? Then I will return pointer 1 or pointer 2. That's all the logic is. Now we will see the code. So before we code, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos and keep supporting guys. So initially I will be having slow and fast pointers as my head, right? Then I will write a loop until my fast and slow pointer meets. Then I will move my slow pointer to the next node. Then I will move my fast pointer one step ahead, right? Then if my slow pointer and fast pointer meets, I will break out of the loop, right? If my loop successfully finish running, then there is no cycle, then we can return none. If there is a cycle, I will have pointer 1 pointing to the head. This is a new pointer, right? Then pointer 2 will be the slow pointer that we have previously done. Then I will run a loop until my pointer 1 meets my pointer 2, right? Then I will move my pointer 1 to the next node and pointer 2 to the next node as well. Then I will finally return pointer 1 when we found the node that is connected to the tail of the linked list, right? Now we will run the code. So the time complexity is order of n and space is constant space, right? Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos. Keep supporting. Happy learning. Cheers guys.